last night.
No, I just threw it there. I got lots of coal.
Come on, open up the bag, see what you got.
Once I finish this nail.
You have all kinds of time to make nails. Come, open the bag. Look in the bag.
It's gold.
It's gold. We're rich. We're rich.
Here, have some.
Oh, we're rich. Yahoo! We're rich. Hey, doodly-doo. I can't get over that the coal changed to gold. I'm rich. I can now ask Flora to marry me. And then I'll build her a big, beautiful house.
Is that a fiddle I hear?
I believe so. Yes, the fiddle.
It must be the fairies.
Yes.
We should go get some more gold.
No, I have plenty of gold here.
Well, don't be so silly. You can never have too much gold.
I'm not going to go. I don't think you should go either.
Well, I'm going. I just gotta grab my jacket.
Alistair, don't go. Don't leave. Stay.
Alistair, give it a howl. Sìthichean, what a surprise it is to see you here.
Were you looking for that jacket?
Yes, I was. Yeah, I just came to listen and learn some more fiddle tunes.
Oh well, show us and go. We'll show you. We'll sing you a little Porsche.
Were you looking for some more coal?
Yeah, Blacksmith can never have too much gold. I mean, coal.
Well, shock and pop, that.
Here's the coal.
Top left.
Well, hopefully you learn more than just a few fiddle tunes tonight.
Heck, I got another bag from the Sìthichean.
Oh, look at it. See what you got.
It's just coal.
Oh, just coal. Look in the other bag.
This one's coal too.
Oh, yeah. Alistair, I'll share my gold with you. I have enough for the both of us.
Well, I learned a hard lesson tonight. It never pays to be greedy.
No, it doesn't. You can't be greedy.